Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about diversity.
So, more importantly, don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Yep, that's a saying that's been around for quite a while.
Yeah. So this actually has a couple interesting little implications. I mean, you can talk about not putting all your eggs in one basket, but sometimes it's good to niche down on something. But what it means about diversifying things, and I'm not talking necessarily investments or things like that, where it is good to diversify. We're talking more in the way of, don't make just one item and that's all you make. It's okay.
Your body of work.
Yeah, your body of work. Don't make it all about just one thing. That's okay. That's fine to just have that one thing, but it's even better if you can have a multitude of things that you do and a multitude of products that you offer.
Yeah, the reason why this can be especially important is if you offer just one item, it'll probably be seasonal. You'll run into a time period where you're not selling any of that item. And so if it's your income spread out across multiple items that you have that sell well for you, it'll help you have a more consistent income.
Yeah. So things like, let's say all you did was wedding rings, right? Your main business is going to be during wedding season. And then, that's it. And then it's going to dry up. Not too many people buying wedding rings, wedding bands specifically, that you're marketing after about August, right? It's going to, your sales are going to keep declining on you. And that's very tough to run a business that way. Trust me, we know. Same thing if you just do fire tools, all you do is just fire pokers. That's kind of home and hearth thing. You can get a little few sales during the summer months on fire pokers. That can be a good thing. Again, if it's fireplace tool sets and that's all you offer, it's going to be wintertime, and it's best not to have a seasonal business like that. That's where diversity can really help.
Yeah, another thing that could happen is you have a person or a group of people move into your specific niche or start copycatting your products and perhaps offering it at a lower price, and they steal away your customers. So that's another reason why that diversity could be handy.
Yeah, and even more so than just stealing away your customers, they may offer a better product than you do. It's easy to get rutted into just doing one thing, and you say, well, the customers like it, so there's no need to progress any. So go out there, go into your own shops, go into your workplaces, challenge yourself to do and offer new products. Undertake better work and see what you come up with at the end of it. So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We thank you all for watching.
We're glad you joined us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.